the light of Hashem shining, fueled by the candle of man. As each one of us is God's candle, God's flame continues to flicker, attached to our candle, and through our service, charring our wick, the animal drive. Bit by bit, its impurities are burnt away. This sends up such precious energies to Hashem that in response, His light is drawn down to illuminate our soul. And with the heightened new energies flooding our soul, we invest even more in the conversion of our animal, giving God more, shifting animal to godly, and creating an entire upward and downward flow of God's energies, using our thought, speech, and deed to express His will, and refining our emotional arena. Our emotions are interwoven with our thoughts. Unrefined, emotions impact large vistas of desire, as our expanding intellect and expanding world create more situations to emote. We think that children grow out of it. We don't. People don't morph away from bad holes. As we understand more, we have more to project our negativity onto, and the evil gets stronger. If you or others suffer from your traits, change. You can always remold yourself. Age is no guarantee of emotional maturation. Go to the opposite extreme to create the desired shift. Utilize our capacity for visualization. Envision yourself at your ideal state and demand daily behaviors as if you were the ideal. Actions create inner reality. We mold our inner world by mandating our outer. You can change. You have the power to refashion self. We can become everything we are not yet, but wish we were. You're worth it.